Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will understand Torricelli's law, the formula for the speed of water leaving a hole in a tank. Let's visualize it with a simple tank diagram. This is our water tank, and the hole is near the bottom. The water surface is higher than the hole, so the water shoots out. The vertical distance from the surface to the hole is called h. Torricelli's law says the speed of the water leaving the hole is v equals the square root of 2gh. Here, g is gravity and h is the height above the hole. Now let's derive this formula using conservation of energy. At the top, the water has potential energy. At the hole, the water has kinetic energy. We set them equal to each other. Now we solve for v. The mass cancels out. Multiply both sides by 2. Take the square root to get the final formula. Now, let's do an example. Suppose the hole is 5 meters below the surface, and g is 9.8 meters per second squared. We plug into the formula. We get the square root of 98. The final speed is about 9.9 meters per second. So the deeper the water above the hole, the faster the water flows out. That is Torricelli's law.